This video is titled Whirling Bull Riders. Bull riding is an activity that involves men trying to ride an enraged bull for as long as possible, as demonstrated in this series of images. Sufism is a religion that is practiced in the Middle East. There is a particular style of dance that is associated with the Sufi religion. This series of pictures shows examples of the dancers, who are commonly called whirling dervishes. The men demonstrating their masculinity in the United States and the men demonstrating their religious devotion in the Middle East are from two different cultures that are geographically thousands of miles apart, and their motivations are completely different. Yet both groups of men are holding their bodies in a similar way. Every whirling dervish and every bull rider is raising their right hand up in the air and holding their left hand pointed down and away from their right hand, as highlighted in this sequence of images. Why are men from different cultures, in countries that are thousands of miles apart, and who are motivated by completely different goals, performing physical activities that involve holding their bodies in almost exactly the same way? Because performing physical activities while holding that body configuration is conducive to reaching the unstated goal each group is aiming for, which is the development and strengthening of the wave and spiral characteristics of the human body. The human body at a deep level can be described as being constructed out of waves. This example picture shows what a wave shape looks like on a piece of electronics equipment called an oscilloscope. The arms of a bull rider riding a bull and a whirling dervish dancing both form a wave shape as highlighted in this series of images. The spiral characteristics of the body are being simultaneously developed and strengthened because a wave is actually just a short section of a spiral. This video has shown why demonstrating masculinity is not the real purpose of bull riding, and why demonstrating religious devotion is not the real purpose of Sufi dancing. The real purpose of both bull riding and Sufi dancing is to develop and strengthen the wave and spiral characteristics of the human body, which will in turn lead to the development and strengthening of the spiritual, mystical, and mental powers of the participants.